Hi friends, I am Jitesh and welcome to my channel. This is RMO session part 2. In the last session, I explained congruence of triangles and sums based on congruence of triangles. In this session, I'll explain Pythagoras theorem and some applications on it and similar triangles. Now, Pythagoras theorem. We'll start from Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, if we take a triangle ABC, I hope you all know about Pythagoras theorem and no need of proof, I think, but today I won't explain this Pythagoras theorem proof. It is right angled at B, 90 degrees. Now, we will take this length as A and this as B and this one C. Pythagoras theorem tells us that B square is equals to A square plus C square. Cut. Now, I'll explain an application on Pythagoras theorem. We'll take the theorem 1. In this theorem, we take a triangle ABC. This is A and this point is B and this is C. Here, we will take the side bisector of BC and this point is D, and a side bisector from AC. This point is E, and a side bisector from AB and this point is F, and the side bisectors congruent point is in center. From this we will draw a line up to B. We will take this point as O and we will take a point O from A, from O to A, and from O to C we will take these three lines. Now we need to prove RTP is BD square minus DC square plus CE square. BD square minus DE square plus CE square minus EA square plus AF square, and from AF square FB square. This should be 0. We need to prove this. We will take the from in triangle BD and OBD. This theorem is based on Pythagoras theorem. In this triangle OBD, by using Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to BD square plus OD square. OB square is equals to BD square plus OD square. And from this triangle OCD, in triangle OCD, OC square is equals to DC square plus OD square. In these two triangles, OD square is common side. So, we will equate that to OD square. In this first equation, OD square is equals to OB square minus BD square. And from this, OD square is equals to OC square minus DC square. In these two, OD square is equals to BD square plus OD square. OB square minus BD square. OB square minus BD square is equals to OC square minus DC square. OC square minus DC square. Is this clear? And this is first equation. Okay, I'll leave this part. Similarly, we got from these two triangles OB square minus BD square is equals to OC square minus DC square. From these two triangles OCE and OAE, from triangles OCE and OAE, we can conclude that similarly by these two, by applying Pythagoras theorem here, we get OC square minus CE square is equals to OA square minus AE square. Here the common side is OE square. By taking OE square as common side, OC square minus CE square is equals to OC square minus CE square. And from this triangle OAE, OE square is equals to OA square minus EA square. OA square minus EA square. And this is equation 2. Similarly, for these two triangles, from triangles OAF and OBF, we can conclude that here OF square is common side. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, OF square is equals to OA square minus AF square. OA square minus AF square. And that is equals to, in this triangle, OB square minus OB square minus BF square. And this is equation 3. From these three equations, they said here we need to prove this. So here we will shift this BD square to here, and we will get BD square minus DC square is equals to OB square minus OC square. And from this equation we will get here, from this equation 2, CE square minus EA square. We will shift this CE square to this side and OA square to this side. We will get that CE square minus EA square is equals to OC square minus OA square. And from this equation 3, we, in this AF square minus FB square, we will shift this AF square to this side and OB square to this side. So we will get AF square minus BF square is equals to OA square minus OB square. We will substitute these values in place of these. Then we will get, is this clear, this part? Now, by substituting these values in place of this, we will get BD square minus DC square, OB square minus OC square plus OC square minus, in place of CE square minus EA square, we will substitute OC square minus OA square. OC square minus OA square. And in place of this, we will substitute this OA square minus OB square in place of AF square minus FB square. So OA square minus OB square. In this, OB square and minus OB square will get cancelled, and this OC square minus OC square plus OC square will be get cancelled, and OS square minus OS square get cancelled is equals to 0. Hence proved. Okay, after this, converse of this theorem. Now I said a theorem before this. For that, this is converse of the theorem. Normally for that we took the condition and we explained and we proved the result. In this converse of the theorem, we should take the result and we should prove the condition. We should get the condition. Okay, I'll show now. Similarly, we'll take a triangle ABC. And these are D, E and F. Here a point F dash. Here the condition is BD square minus DC square. The condition is which we proved in the theorem. That's the condition now. EA square plus AF square minus FB square is equals to 0. And this is the condition. Next, here we need to prove RTP. F and F dash both are coincide with each other. Both should coincide with each other. Means they should be at the same point. F and F dash, the distance between those two should be 0. Then only they will coincide. Coincide means the same point. We need to prove F and F dash are same. Now we can take, by drawing a line from here to here, we can say that BD square minus DC square, by drawing a point from O to F, we can say BD square minus DC square plus CE square minus EA square plus AF square. Sorry, no need to draw this line. Here AF dash square minus F dash B square. By equating these two, because RHS is equals to RHS, both values are 0, so these two also will be equal. Is equals to 0 means we can equate those both. By equating equation 1 and equation 2, BD square minus DC square plus CE square minus EA square plus AF square minus FB square is equals to BD square minus DC square plus CE square minus EA square plus AF dash square plus minus F dash B square is equals to 0. That's it. This is clear up to here. Here BD square and BD square get cancelled, and DC square and DC square get cancelled. CE square get cancelled. EA square and EA square get cancelled, and these two are remaining. AF square minus FB square plus is equals to AF dash square minus F dash B square. Okay, from here we will transpose this to here and shift this to here. By transporting those, AF square minus AF dash square is equals to FB square minus f dash b square. Okay, it's clear up to here. Here af square minus af dash square is equals to minus of ff dash square. This is minus of the square, not whole square of minus ff dash. This is minus of ff dash square. And here fb square minus f dash b square, fb square minus f dash b square is equals to ff dash whole square, ff dash square. Here square and square get cancelled. Here if we take minus of ff dash whole square, we get positive ff dash, but we took minus of square, minus of ff dash square, so we won't get positive value. And here therefore we'll send this to here. 2ff dash is equals to 0 and ff dash will be 0. They both are coinciding each other. They both coincide each other. Hence proved. That's it. For RMO, I suggest you that we should have thorough revision for 9th and 10th NCERT, and for reference Arihant RMO is the best book in my opinion. Okay, I suggest that for you. If you like my explanation, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. To get all notification of my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.